Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Stuttgart, Germany. Today I have no plans. This is basically like a rest city. The only thing that I'm aware of what's to do in Stuttgart is some car museums like Porsche and I believe either Mercedes-Benz or BMW. I like cars, but I don't like cars that much, you know. They're cool to drive, but other than that, I don't really have a huge interest in that. I know a lot of people who do, who would enjoy the fuck out of that, but me personally, just not my thing. But this is Stuttgart. Well, a part of Stuttgart. I am on my way to McDonald's now, and I know what you're thinking. Zach, you're traveling the world and you're still gonna eat at McDonald's? First of all, McDonald's everywhere else in the world compared to the United States is so much different. The McDonald's everywhere else has actual, I guess, regulations on what they can do to their food and how they can grow it and process it and whatever. When you think of McDonald's in the United States, you think of homeless people scrapping up change, and that's what they get is McDonald's. And that's not the case here in Europe. Well, it could be. I mean, it's still cheap here, but it's actually pretty good. McDonald's in America is poison. Everywhere else in the world, I guarantee you, for those who do not travel, if you try McDonald's in France, Germany, United Kingdom, you're gonna be like, holy shit, I have been missing out on quality McDonald's because in America you just don't get that. I don't know why. And here is McDonald's inside of a pretty nice mall. Well, I stopped by Pull & Bear while I was at this mall, and I got me a new shirt, finally. I have the same like 5 shirts in rotation on this trip so far, so it doesn't look very appealing on video. But I got a new shirt, so there's shirt number 6 to be put in the rotation. Only have so much room in this backpack, so. Cheers from Stuttgart, Germany. This looks a lot like Monumento a la Independencia in Mexico City. Well, I only have 4 more hours here in Stuttgart, Germany, and then I am heading to Milan, Italy. Maybe Stuttgart, Germany is pretty beautiful. It's definitely not one of the cities you think of when you start planning a trip to Germany. You think of Berlin, Hamburg, Munich, maybe even Frankfurt, but not Stuttgart. But Stuttgart, it looks nice. It's kind of small. It's kind of like Sheffield to England, thereabout. And it has some similarities as well. My dad wants me to bring him some foreign comic books back from all the countries I'm going to this time, so let's see what this place has. This should do. I'm going to have currywurst one last time here in Germany. I am off to Italy in about 2 hours. So good. And now it's time for me to say goodbye to Stuttgart and say goodbye to Germany altogether. Tomorrow I will be in Italy. So the next time you see me will be in Milan, Italy.